What is up, guys? My name is Moritz. I'm a Shopify developer from Germany, and I'm here to show you the best looking designs and websites which are out there. And today I stumbled across this lovely looking, it's not a scrolling announcement bar yet, but if you switch it to mobile, it does become one. So as you can see right here, it does switch into a scrolling announcement bar if you go to mobile, but you can fully activate the scrolling as well. And I'm going to show you how you can get that thing in a few easy steps, and I'd say we just get right into it. I am using an app for this called Section Store. Section Store is a component library with over 300 fully customizable Shopify exclusive components. And the one we will be having a look at today is called Scrolling Announcement Bar Free. And as you can see right here, that is the one. Here you have all the customization options which do come with this thing. And instead of paying hundreds of dollars for developers like me, you can get this one for a one-time fee of $9. So I do think that's a pretty good deal. After that, just head back to the My Sections area of the app. Let's let this load up real quick. And there you have to do one final step, and that is to actually add it to the theme you use. In my case, it is the Don't Live theme, but it does work on every theme, so don't worry about that. Just click right on here and then open up your theme editor. I've already done so and created a little version myself. So if you want to have it on every page, make sure to add it on the footer on the header section right here. But you can also add it wherever you want. So if you do, for example, have switching, for example, collectives or different product pages, you can put them on separate product pages. That is possible as well. But we're going to operate with this one today. So let's drag this up a little bit. It's going to be here anyways. So here you should be able to see it in a second. Yeah, that is the one. You can see it is already scrolling through. It has this nice little rating as well. And if I click on it, you will be able to see that there are a lot of customization options. If I would remove that, I can put it wherever I want on the page. But now I want to have it on the top. So this is just securing that it's on the very top. If I do switch it to mobile, you will be able to see it's going to scroll through. And what I actually did here, the animation speed was set to 0 on desktop. But if you do set it to a certain number, it will start scrolling as well on desktop. And this is the one for mobile. So here you can decide the animation direction, if it's going to pause on hover, that is activated right now. And a bunch of other things, for example, what default color the icons are going to have. Maybe we're going to switch them to red because that is looking quite nice. And the text I would also like to have in a different color, maybe a bit more of a subtle gray tone. Yeah, this is looking pretty nice already. And if I do click on one of the blocks right here, you can see it does contain blocks. So if I click on add block right here, I can either decide if it's going to be one of those blocks or a link. So the links are right here. They're specifically made for operating as a header or a navigation. But right now we want to keep it as it is. So here we have announcement. Here we have newsletter already, and we can just click on it. And for example, we can decide what's going to be here. 100% eco-friendly, and we could even put a page to it or a collection or whatever you prefer. Maybe we're going to put an about us so people can make sure to inform themselves that it's actually eco-friendly. And yeah, that's pretty much how it works. Maybe we're going to get rid of that. Now I want to show you the link blocks. So if you do click on one of them, you are able to see a custom card and icon as well. The only different thing is that those ones are not scrolling. Those are stationary. So here we could, for example, put about us actually. And then here we're gonna put maybe real people support, something which looks like a persona. Should load up in a second. And here on pages, we're just gonna put it to FAQ, for example. And if I give this a little save, we should be able to see the new icon and also a function and link. I'm just gonna show you in a second that it's working. But yeah, here we have the different icon as well, and those are pretty much all the functionalities. So let's have a look at this, how it's gonna look live. And then we can round this up already. Let's just make sure all the functionalities are working on this one. So here we should be able to see the scrolling announcement thing works perfectly fine. Here we have the nice rating as well. That is looking good. And here if I click on the about us, it's gonna bring us to the page we linked it to, which means it was successfully done. Hope you guys found it useful. And if you did, always feel free to leave a like and a follow. And with that being said, have a good one and peace out.